Hello everyone, welcoming us back to my YouTube channel, and if you are just joining for the first time, you're welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching on how to take, cut and sew this senator well. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most especially click on the notification bell so you'll be aware when I post a new video. Stay tuned, let's get started. The first thing we'll be doing is taking our ruler to make the fabric equal here, just to make a straight line, because the fabric here is not equal. As you can see, one is shorter than the other. So I'll make a straight line here, then I'll mark it this way. Good. My shoulder measurement is 19 divided by 2 plus half is 10. I marked it this way. This is 10 all through. So from this point, from this upper point, I'll be coming down by 2.5 inches. So this is 2.5 inches. Then I made a mark here. Then from this point, I'll slant it to the upper side here, which was what I did here. This way. Good. Then the next thing is to mark out our top length measurement. So I'll have to bring my tape through this way. From this upper part, measure out 1.5. Wherever my 1.5 is, I'll bring it down from that point. Measure my top length plus 2 inches. My top length is 28 and I added 2. This is 30 inches. Good. That is all for that. Then how did I get my folding measurement? My round body, that's the bigger part, is either the chest, the tummy part or the hip, but I'm using the hip measurement here. So the hip measurement I have here is 41 divided by 4 plus 2 inches. I have 12 quarter. So that is how I got the folding part. Then the next thing I'll be doing now is cutting it out. So I'll cut it out this way. The next thing we'll be doing now is placing the front on the back fabric. But because of the design I'll be making at the back, I left 2 inches allowance on the folded parts. Then the rest are the same. Then to this point, I came down by 4.5 inches. See it? This is where the front starts from. So I measure 4.5 inches this way. Good. And I place my fabric on it that way. Remember I said I left 2 inches here all around down to this place. Then 4.5 this way. So I kept on marking out my 4.5. Then I'll connect the dots with my ruler. So this is how it looks like. So that's all for that. Then for the front fabric, I came down by 1 inch, sorry. I came down by 1 inch. Then I connect the dot line together. I will explain the reason why I did that. Good. So 4.5, then coming down here by 1 inch. The next thing will be cutting out in the back fabric. This is the back side. Remember we added 2 inches to it. Then I went ahead to sew it this way. This way. Can you see? I sew it down this way. This way. Then I press it down with my pressing iron to form this way. So this is how it looks like. This is the right side of the fabric. Now moving on to the neck line. We want to cut out our neck part. This is the wrong side of the fabric. You lay it properly, then you place the front on it as well. Moving on, we want to chalk out the neck. Remember initially we measured 1 inch this way, which was what we connected this way. Now this you fold it down this way. It's going to come out this way. Don't panic. Then you use your pressing iron to press it down. Good. We are working with neck 16 inches for the neck. So what we are going to do is divide our neck measurement divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is giving us 4. So I'll come down this way by 4.5. I'm adding half inch allowance. So this is 4.5. I marked it this way, 4.5. Then you know when we divided 16 divided by 4, it's giving us 4 inches. So that 4 inches we had, we divide it again by 2. We'll be having 2 inches. So the 2 inches, we'll bring it down this way. We'll chuck it this way, then we'll connect it this way, just like this. Then you slant it up like this. I believe you are seeing what I'm doing. You slant it up this way, so it's going to form this shape. Then from this angle here, you come up by half inch. You come up by half inch. This is it here. Then you connect using your free hand. If you have your cuff ruler, you can use. But for the help of those that does not have ruler, let's use our free hand sketching to sketch it out this way. So this is all for the neck. Now we want to cut it out. When cutting, you remember you place the front and the back fabric together. So you raise it up a bit, then you cut this way. Don't cut the back with it, just the front. But before then, let's confirm if our neck is giving us half of 16. You know the fabric is divided into 2, so that means we are supposed to have 8 inches. So this is it. Let's confirm if we will get 8. This is it. So we have 8 inches. Now let's cut. We'll raise, remember I said we'll raise the front this way, then you cut. Next thing we'll be doing now is taking our shoulder measurements. We want to make our arm more curve. So now our armhole is 19 divided by 2 is 9.5 plus half is 10. So we'll chuck your turn, mark your turn here. Then I already did this before 10. So connect the dots together using your straight ruler. Connect the dots together. We're using armhole length of 9 inches. So this is 9 inches. I'll mark it this way. Good. Then 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. We get the midpoint. This is it. 4.5. Then you come out by 1 inch. Come out by 1 inch. Then this 1 inch, connect it to this upper part of the shoulder. You connect it this way. This is how it will look. Then the remaining parts, you bring it this way. If you don't have this curve roller, you don't need to panic. You can as well use your free hand to do that. You can as well use your free hand to get it. Now we'll be cutting this out. I think that's all for the body. We'll be cutting this out. We're cutting the back first, so I'll just follow this straight one for the back. So the for the front, you just cut it out this way. I already did that. I did not know I didn't record it while cutting. So this is for the front and this is for the back. This is what it looks like when we are done cutting. So that is all for. Check out for the cutting of the trouser and remember to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.